Hello and welcome to this video on maximizing earnings through freelance writing in the digital economy, strategies and best practices for online success. In today's world, freelance writing has become a popular and lucrative profession, thanks to the growing demand for online content. However, with so many writers competing for work, it can be challenging to stand out and earn a significant income. In this video, we will share some strategies and best practices for maximizing your earnings as a freelance writer in the digital economy. To begin with, let's discuss what we mean by the digital economy. The digital economy refers to economic activity that is conducted through digital channels, such as the internet. In the context of freelance writing, this means that most of the work is done online, and the content is published or distributed digitally. Understanding the digital economy is essential for freelance writers because it affects how you market yourself, find work, and interact with clients. One of the keys to success as a freelance writer is to identify your niche and target market. Your niche is your area of expertise, and your target market is the group of people who are most likely to need your services. By identifying your niche and target market, you can tailor your marketing efforts and position yourself as an expert in your field. This will help you stand out from other writers and attract higher-paying clients. In today's digital economy, having a strong online presence is crucial for success as a freelance writer. Your online presence includes your website, social media profiles, and any other online platforms where you showcase your work. To build a strong online presence, you need to create a professional website that showcases your portfolio and services, use social media to connect with potential clients and promote your work, and engage with your audience regularly to build relationships and establish your expertise. Once you have identified your niche and target market and built a strong online presence, the next step is to develop a marketing strategy. A marketing strategy is a plan for how you will promote your services to potential clients. It includes tactics such as cold emailing, networking, and using job boards to find work. To develop an effective marketing strategy, you need to research your target market and understand their needs and pain points. You also need to be proactive and persistent in your marketing efforts. Finally, to maximize your earnings as a freelance writer, you need to establish a pricing strategy. Your pricing strategy should take into account your experience, expertise, and the value you provide to your clients. You can choose to charge per word, per project, or per hour. It's essential to set your prices competitively while also ensuring that you are being compensated fairly for your work. In conclusion, freelance writing is a lucrative profession in the digital economy, but it requires a strategic approach to maximize your earnings. By understanding the digital economy, identifying your niche and target market, building a strong online presence, developing a marketing strategy, and establishing a pricing strategy, you can position yourself for success as a freelance writer. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in your freelance writing career.